We'll guide you through how to add shadow to text in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve the visual quality of their designs, especially for social media, thumbnails, or presentations. To begin the process, the first step is to open the Photopea website in your browser. To do this, first open your browser on your computer. Go to the Windows menu on the taskbar and click it to access the search feature. In the search bar, type Google Chrome and wait for the result to appear. If you prefer, you can also use another browser you frequently use. Open your browser by clicking it once and allow it to fully load on your screen. Once it opens, look for the search box at the top of the window. Type Photopea and press Enter on your keyboard to start searching. After the browser completes the search, select the website at the top of the results list. When the website opens, you will see a home display like this with several options available. Select New Project, then choose a YouTube template or another template that fits your needs. On the editing page, find the text tool in the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click on it. Move your mouse to the canvas and click to type your text. Type the words you want to add a shadow to, then resize and reposition your text as needed. Next, go to the Layers section and right-click on the text layer. Choose Blending options from the menu that appears. Activate the Drop Shadow feature to begin customizing the effect. Adjust the angle to determine the direction the shadow falls behind the text. Adjust the opacity by sliding it to the right or left to control its visibility. The lower the opacity, the less visible the shadow will be, and vice versa. Also adjust the distance to determine how far the shadow is from your text. Set the size value to around 20 to 30 pixels to soften the shadow edges. Finally, you have finished adding a shadow to your text. This completes the process and ensures your text stands out clearly with a professional-looking shadow effect applied correctly and neatly within the design workspace for better visual appeal overall.